So guys, nandito tayo sa Amazon, looking for the same product na nabili natin, which is the Razer Barracuda X Wireless. And yeah, looking for the availability of this product. So tingnan natin yung white, hindi na siya available. Ayun, black meron pa. Pero yung white wala na, sold out na. Yan, ganda kasi ng white. Medyo aesthetic siya. So, yung ito, alam ko mas mahal to eh. Mas mahal to. Unavailable na rin siya. Ito yung ano, ito yata yung PUBG edition. Ito yung Roblox. Yan, pang gamer talaga yan. Pero yung kung gusto nyo na ano, in day-to-day use for as a work from home, yeah, VA customer support, or if you're a call center agent na gusto ng decent headset, which is kung may budget na kayo, yeah, may recommend ko siya which is yeah, napakaganda ng quality ng mic kahit may electric pa kayo sa harap. Katulad ngayon, may electric pa na ako, hindi siya naririnig. Tapos, yun nga, ayun, titingnan natin yung review niya. Umabot na siya ng 3,000 and Amazon choice siya. So, which is best-selling product din to. Which means na good yung item. And may kita tayo ng mga reviews dito. Yan, tulad nito. I-review niya rin yung...
Hi, today I wanted to review the Razer Barracuda X. This is the 2022 model, wired for. So it's great. Fits very well. Looks like that to play PlayStation mainly.
Yeah,
to play PlayStation mainly. That's what I use it for. So it's great. Fits very well. Looks like that on your ears. You have here the mic, of course. So this can come off if you want to, but you can take this fuzz off. I like it there myself. It's very comfortable. I haven't worn it for. It's not there. In fact, when I take it off, it feels like a little odd, like without having it on, because the sound is so good. It's great with this on. So you have here.
Yeah, so yun. Itong lalaki na to, sabi niya, nagandahan din siya sa quality ng headset. O ako nakagamit na rin naman ako ng ibang noise cancelling headset, saka mga headset na Bluetooth. Pero iba yung ganda ng headset na to. Yung quality nung headset kapag nakikinig ka ng music, o kaya movie, o kaya pagkausap mo yung client, customer, yun. So, maganda siya. Yeah. So, bili na kayo guys. Bili na kayo bang available pa yung white. Add to cart nyo na yan. Habang available pa siya sa Shopee. So, yeah. This is one of the best-selling products. If you have a budget naman to invest in a good headset, I recommend ko siya. You can watch reviews on YouTube too regarding sa product na to. Wireless gaming. So far, goods yung dongle niya. Yun yung ginagamit ko, pero na-try ko na rin yung Bluetooth connection. So, yun. Okay yung product na to, guys. So, yep. Ito cart nyo na yan. And, yeah, bye for now.